koi,
Koi, yeah.
and then there's big koi.
What a fish.
Yeah.
They'll like you.
Here he comes.
They go down and they chew their food, and then they come up and eat some more. Woo, big mouth, yeah? It's a big mouth.
Well, get them breeding, Nani. Go ahead.
How does it go?
That's just like that.
Go inside it. The telescope thing. Oh yeah. Well, I can see you. I can see you. My turn. My turn. Somebody hold it. Somebody hold it. Can you hold this?
Okay, Lucy, come here. Come hold it.
It's all good, actually.
Hold this. I got it.
The space shuttle was really doing quite awesome. Using a touch screen, you can see the relative sizes of different planets. Here you can see Jupiter next to the size of the Sun. Here we have the size of the Moon, our Moon, against the size of the Earth. And you can see the real sizes relative to each other, and the touchscreen effect was really quite nice. Here we're showing the size of Saturn next to the size of the Sun. But shortly after this video was shot, the screen started to show its age and it wore out. So it's back into the shop for a replacement. And we recently received this amazing donation. This rock collection from Maverick Kawamoto was donated. It had been in storage for over 20 years. This collection of rocks includes geodes, sandstones, slabs of all kinds of granite, nodes, which are geodes that are solid in the middle and don't have an open air gap, more geodes of various sizes, and thunder eggs. You can see that the collection itself is extremely extensive. Here's some petrified wood, different shapes and sizes, more sandstones. Chalcidian is a translucent form of an agate.
These are all the geodes probably from Oregon. More than likely from Oregon.
We had a geologist ride up on his bicycle, so we immediately showed him our collection, asked him our questions about what are some of these rocks, what should we do with them, and he helped us identify which ones were the nodes, which ones were the geodes, and which ones were the thunder eggs.
Quartz clusters there. These are probably from Arkansas.
There are quite a lot of quartz crystals in the collection. They're not the only crystals. Many of the geodes also have crystals, such as amethyst, embedded in them.
These are bombs, like you see coming out.
We have a bunch. Yep.
Yeah, but these are sticky lava bombs, not running lava bombs.
That's right.
Then they cool really slowly and the crystals grow. We don't have this type of chemistry in our bombs.
Correct.
This is our polishing wheel. More on this later.
Tourmaline.
Very hard. Pyroxene.
Pyroxene. Okay.
Yep. This is an unusual type of granite.
This is some pyrite. There's one of those thunder eggs. Some glass obsidian. A big chunk of lead. Another geode. And a bomb geode. Not only are there many different types of rocks in the collection, some of them have many different forms, like the gypsum.
This kind of thing.
Oh, that's like a chalcedony. So that's this is formed at the bottom of the ocean. Microscopic little millions of critters form on the ground. They get squished.
Yeah.
And so this is actually, the ground would be like that, not like this. It would actually be like that. So you can see the layers going up. And it's kind of like a mound of goo. Ocean ooze.
Yeah. Oh, this is ocean. Okay.
Yeah, that's ocean.
Oh, it's beautiful.
So volcanic.
Beautiful.
Ocean.
It's the desert rose?
The desert rose, yes. Yeah.
What is this one? It's a flake.
Yeah, that's mica. So it's
Okay,
muscovite.
yeah.
See all these little books?
Yep.
So there's probably 1,000 little flakes of them
flakes
right
in
now.
there.
when
Right.
the water is super hot, and when it slowly trickles down and goes through,
Yes.
it precipitates like a
Precipitates in.
flower
Yep.
that grows.
Yeah, they bloom once.
Yeah, it looked like an ammonite when I first walked up, but I'm not sure. I don't have my glasses on. But what this is if it's not a shell with a bunch of crusty stuff
Yep.
on it, then it's a spherical, a nodule.
Yes.
Where the iron gets coalesced into little pockets, and it makes little rust balls. Is what
Yeah.
you say. Normally they're spherical or
Yeah.
or like a frisbee. This one's a little
Okay.
odd
Yeah.
shaped. But yeah, those are nodules. So that's more of that copper carbonate.
Yep.
Definitely like a type, not granite, but it's definitely an intrusive. It's magma under the ground about 10 miles.
And then you were just telling me this. You got a whole box of this.
Yeah, well, that's volcanic as well.
Yep.
Yep. So we have basalt, right?
Yes.
It is the runniest.
Yes.
The
Okay.
stickier it is, the different colors.
Okay.
So you have like rhyolite, that's kind of a reddish tan.
Yep.
You have dacite,
Yes.
which is kind of a greenish, grayish,
Okay.
almost pale colored. So see how dense this is,
It
how
is.
hard it is.
It's
See how you
very-
can see
yes.
almost no bubbles in it.
And it's not glassy like the
Not
other
at all.
obsidian.
It's
But,
only about half the temperature.
But it does seem to hold its edge, right? So it's hard.
To a point.
It's clearly hard.
To a point, but
Yeah.
it's not like the
Yeah.
hotter the lava, the better it gets, or the
Okay.
less gas bubbles. That's why obsidian's so good, because it has zero gas
Zero
bubbles.
gas bubbles.
Because you can find pseudo obsidian up at Va.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, it's all over the place.
Yeah.
Darren has been working really hard making these beautiful stands. I want to show them to you before they get fully stained. They're for the hydrology exhibit. Here at the end of our bench, we have a bunch of fossils. They're really, really interesting, but we probably won't be able to put them out for show. This is the collection of rocks we were choosing from. This is the best of our rock collection. We were getting ready to select which ones were going to go out for display out of this subset. Mahalo, aloha, sha.